The easiest way to break a yucca is to just bang it, whack it, and there you go. And then you just kind of exert some pressure and it breaks easily. Whack it hard enough, and that's the best way to break it. And then we need to peel it, so we give it another whack. And here you have to be careful that it has two layers. One of them is the dark brown, and then inside there is like a pink layer, and we need to get both of them out. So that's where kind of you just go around the peel under both the skin, and just go around it and get it out. Again, as I said, make sure you get both those layers out, because the pink layer is very bitter and you don't want to cook it with that. So once you see, there you go, I just want to show you again, get the entire thick skin out, both the brown and the pink, and then you just cut it into whatever size pieces you would like. In the middle of it there is like a stringy portion, so you can take that out. Either you can take that out before cooking, or you can just keep it for boiling, and just before you mash it you can take it out as well. So that's all there is to it. And then you put it in a pot with a lot of water and some sea salt, and keep it for boiling. You need to boil it for a good amount of at least 20 to 25 minutes until it gets really soft. You want to cook it until it gets really, really soft. You can take a piece out and poke it and see that it gets really soft. Now I'm showing you how to do Indian style yucca mash, where I am sauteing some onions, green chillies, and garlic, and then adding a little bit of turmeric and the smashed yucca along with some amount of water. I am not adding all the water that I cooked it in, so definitely draining most of the water out and then adding the yucca along with some of the water. And once you mix it nicely, and then I use a potato masher to mash it well. See, it has to be really smooth mashed potato kind of consistency. So keep mashing it. Even if they are a little hard, you just mash it so that it becomes really smooth. And then lastly, I like to put some freshly grated coconut, and that's your Kerala style mashed yucca called as kappa. Enjoy this kappa with fish curry or any other curry.